Hey guys, Chris again. The bud's all dry and I want to show you how I do the curing process. What you're going to want is a mason jar or a jar like this. It's best to use glass. They say don't use plastic. You're going to lose some potency if you use plastic. I'm not sure what the science is behind it, but I think air actually does trickle through this stuff. So what you want to do is get yourself your Fisker scissors again. This is a little humidity and temperature sensor that I got off Amazon. They're only a couple bucks, maybe 10 bucks for like 6 of them, something like that. They're pretty cheap, made in China, I'm sure, and they do not last very long. So I don't know if you have a source of getting a better one. I'd be interested in finding it. But all you want to do is take your bud, cut off the big stems. I think I might have skipped that part in the trimming video, but you want to leave it on some of the big stems so that it dries out slower when it's drying. The slower the better when it comes to drying and curing. You're going to keep most of the potency and flavor in your weed. So just cut it off the big stems and put it in the jar. Once you have it all in the jar, you're going to want to close it, put the humidity sensor in, and allow it to cure. And what's going to happen is when you put it in, the weed's going to be dry to the touch, but when you close the jar, the pressure or the moisture in the container is going to want to even out. So all the moisture from the inside of the bud is going to come to the outside. It's going to increase the humidity percentage on your gauge, and it's also, when you open the jar and touch the bud, it's going to feel even more moist than when you put it in there. So as you go, you're going to want to open it every day to let some air out and let some dry air in. And as soon as you can get it to stay at a humidity of around 60 to 62% in the jar overnight, that's when the drying process is fully finished and you're going to be curing the bud. Curing, what you want to do is every couple days you want to open the jar for a period of a month to 2 months. I know it seems long and you're probably in a rush to smoke your freshly harvested bud. You can always take out a sample and smoke that, but the best way to keep the potency and keep the flavor is to do it for 1 month minimum. Some people say do it for 2 months minimum. And what you want to do is open it and close it every day. What happens is the chlorophyll in the plant, which makes your weed taste like hay, or if you ever get that smell, it smells like barn, it's probably because it wasn't cured properly. So what you want to do is over a month, open and close it, allow that gas to escape, and after a month of doing that, probably every second day I do it, your bud's going to be fully cured, highest potency possible and ready to smoke. So I hope this helps you guys out with your harvest this year. If you get anything, learn anything from this video, please drop a like. And if you're interested in seeing more cannabis related how-to videos or just grow videos in general, please subscribe to the channel. It would help us out a lot. So thanks for your support. I appreciate it, and good luck with the harvest. Take care, guys.